This is Jason. We get asked this question all the time in sandblasting. Does size matter? And I'm here to tell you absolutely it does. But even more so than that, it's where you use it and what you do with it. So let's talk about hose. Here we got some different size hoses that were here. 1/2 inch ID 2-ply, 1 inch ID 2-ply, 3/4 inch ID 4-ply, 1 inch ID 4-ply, 1 1/4 inch 2-ply. When, where, what, how, why do I use them? Well, let's talk about it real briefly. 1/2 inch ID 2-ply, primarily cabinets, really short runs, small little portable pots for little maintenance projects. You're not going to run this over like 15, 20 feet ideally, okay? Now, 1 inch ID, very underrated hose. 1 inch ID 2-ply. Anyone using a number 6 nozzle and smaller, this is ideal for your whip. You're not going to give up production. It's so light, so flexible, especially for people on ladders, under trailers, moving around, things like this. One of my favorite whip hoses. Or if you're going 50 or 100 feet with a smaller nozzle, you can run this the whole way. Very efficient. 3/4 inch 4-ply. Ideally, I really only like to see this used for the exhaust hose on a combo valve. It's too restrictive, 3/4 inch ID, to be a long run hose. It's too stiff to be practical. You're better off to use this 1 inch ID 2-ply. But this is your pinch hose for your combo valve, universal on every Schmidt combo valve out there across America. Next, let's talk about our two hoses that run a number 2 coupling. The 1 inch ID 4-ply and the 1 1/4 inch ID 2-ply. Where and why would I use one? We don't sell, honestly, a lot of the 1 inch ID 4-ply. Here again, it's more restrictive on flow with the 1 inch ID, and you got a big bulky hose you've got to hang on to. Much more universal, much more practical, 1 1/4 inch ID 2-ply. This hose, the most universal, it'll run up to 1/2 inch nozzles and anywhere down to 1/4 inch effectively. Just make sure you match the opening on your nozzle, a wide entry 1 1/4 inch nozzle to the 1 1/4 inch hose, and you'll be fine. But if you've got questions, specifics, my application, which one should I use? Give us a call at ABS Supply. We're glad to help you, and have a blast. And remember, size does matter.